philosophy that they're trying to emanate. Problema is that nagbibigay siya ng instruction kanina. Hindi ko din nagigets. Good morning mga puans. It's currently 6:20 to be honest dito sa MRT station. Papunta tayo sa Param 9 for our tour to Pattaya. Call time namin sa tour is 6:45 and makakaabot pa ako kasi mabilis lang tong train ride, siguro mga 12 minutes. Nasa Param 9 na ako. Nakarating na tayo sa Param 9. We're just in front of Starbucks sa Central Rama 9. Kasi dito daw yung pick up point. However, parang wala pang masyadong tao. Meron na akong nakikitang like group of friends doon sa harap. Pero wala pang tour guide. It's already 6:45. Ayan. Nag-chat na rin ako doon sa tour guide sa WhatsApp. Ito yung Rama 9. Ito naman yung this is Central Rama 9. The building. Wala pang araw pero masyado nang mainit. Antayin lang natin yung ating bus. Traveling to Pattaya takes siguro mga 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Ayun, nakita ko na yung tour guide. Papunta ata sila dito. Medyo masilaw lang pero yeah, kakaalis lang ng bus and we're heading to Pattaya. Like, sabi daw nila like 2 hours. Teka lang, adjust ko lang yung curtains. As far as I remember, yung activities dito, Nongnut Garden, the Sanctuary of Truth, Khao Chi Chan. Yun yung may laser engraved Buddha sa mountain. Mongchang Cafe. Probably dito siguro it has like the elephant experience, and then the last would be like Pattaya Viewpoint, and then we'll be returning to Bangkok for around siguro mga 7:30. Pero sabi ng tour guide, since we started late, we'll be probably late going back to Bangkok. We have to like stop first, quick CR break, and snacks. However, here nag-CR lang ako. Hindi na ako bumili ng mga pagkain since I bought one from Starbucks doon kanina sa Central Rama 9. Pangalan ng aming tour guide ay si Noni, very dynamic. So, sabi ni Noni, we should use the comfort room or parang umihi na because it's going to be like an hour ride from here to Pattaya. Tour guide, สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ ยินดีต้อนรับสู่ประเทศไทยนะครับ สวัสดีครับ โนนี่ Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so that's our tour guide. It's Noni. We're just waiting for everybody na makaakyat sa bus and we'll be going. Everyone, unang destination natin today is Sanctuary of Truth. Ayan, so kakarating lang natin. We're just waiting sa aming tour guide na bumili ng ticket. Kalat-kalat kami. Ang hirap kasi pag solo ka kasi wala kang kasama, wala kang makakausap. So probably the challenge for me here is like to make friends, which I can easily do. Pero I should probably choose the group that I'll be going with. Yung tour guide namin, ayun lang yung nakita nyo kanina. She keeps on reminding us that we can't bring our huge bags. Dapat yung maliliit lang. Nagre-remind siya palagi na parang keep your bags closer to you kasi uso daw yung pickpocketing sa area. Iniisip ko ngayon kasi sabi niya, go by group. So kung wala kang kasama, lugi ka. So kailangan mo mag-make friends. Yeah, that's the reason why I have to make friends para safe tayo. Pero ito yung mga reminders niya. Para tuloy ako natatakot. Kasi parang diin na diin yung pagkaka-remind niya. Ayan, so currently nasa viewpoint tayo na museum. Ganito siya. Ganyan siya. So I think bababa pa later. Maganda siya dito.
Meanwhile, let's begin the tour now. So first, let me show you the workshop. Then afterwards, let's go inside. But the question is, are you all ready?
Yes!
I don't think so. I think you're sleeping. You still want to go up over there. Now, all right. Again, are you all ready?
Yes!
Carving department area. Okay, so outside.
Ayun, so sabi nga, dito daw ginagawa yung carvings.
This is our carving department. Here you'll get to witness how the museum is created each time. And of course, yes, that here is very dusty and also noisy most of the times. It's rare for you to see traditional process like putting artists are only using different kinds of chisel and hammer as their tools to carve every artwork manually.
So very intricate nilang dinidesign yung carvings.
For the windows over here, walls and columns on that side. This one here are for the wall lamps. Once everything is complete here, of course, it will be displayed. This is the original model of the museum with 1 to 10 scale. So 1 centimeter here, 10 centimeter over there. This is made entirely of wood and also metal. So everyone, these are the different
Ayan, mga puans, mabilisan lang kasi ubos na ng tour guide namin yung time na inikot niya kami dito sa loob ng Sanctuary of Truth. And it's quite interesting kasi this structure, it's a museum. It's a contemporary museum that has a touch of Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, even Confucianism. They explain everything like finding your own happiness, societies like struggle to do what is right and what is wrong, ganyan. Yung call time namin actually is 11:40. Tapos 11:39. Tamang ikot-ikot na lang muna ako. Paano ba? Hindi kami pwedeng magwatak-watak kasi yun yung reminder nung tour guide. So kaya hindi ako lumalayo masyado. What's interesting about these structures is that parang it really makes you think of your life as well. What's your purpose? What makes you happy? Para siyang ganyan. So, yan, pakita natin yung paligid. Kakabalik lang natin sa bus. Hindi na ako umakyat doon kasi sabi ni mother, pwede naman daw diretso na lang sa bus. Tapos, yun na, sumama na lang ako dito. Ang bilis lang kamo nung wala tuloy akong nakuhang like shots na kasama ako. Ayan. Okay lang yun kasi gano'n naman ang tour. Pero very educational yung tour. Tsaka nang roast din kasi yung tour guide namin. Yung parang ayaw niyo makinig. Ayan. Pero napaka well educated sa mga sinasabi niya and I really commend him making the tour very interactive.
เอานะครับ everyone ครับ from now on นะครับ
Teka lang.
we gonna go to the Pattaya Point View
Next stop natin ay Pattaya Viewing Point. So, hiking tayo pataas. So, siguro mga 1 km daw yung layo niya from the bus stop. Mainit pa. Pero since nagbayad tayo for this, why not? Go na lang. Kaya ito, nilalaban natin. Inclined. So medyo kapag naglalakad ka, parang ang bigat. My goodness. Walang harang. Pag nalaglag ka, laglag ka talaga. Pero ba't hati lang? Parang ano na siya, eroded. Ano to? Kailangan may talent ka dito. Okay. Ito yung first point. Wow. Look at that. This is just the overlooking shore of Pattaya. Ayan. Kakarating lang natin sa third destination natin, which is Nong Nooch Garden. The dinosaurs. Ang problema is that nagbibigay siya ng instruction kanina. Hindi ko din nagigets. May mga sinasabi siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, ganyan. May skywalk, ganyan. Oh, ticket ng bus. Sightseeing bus. Okay. Ayan, nakapasok na ako. Kami pala. Marami pala kami. As much as I like elephants, for my opinion, I think opinion ko to ha, like I feel it's unethical for them na sakyan sila. It's just sad na nagiging exploited sila for tourism. I'm not quite sure kung kukuha ako ng lunch. 3:40 dapat nakabalik na kami sa meeting point. Fried rice with chicken? Yeah. So I'll have the chicken while ko Escola. Yeah. That's it. So in order ko is fried rice with Escola. Praek mo aroy. Ayan, so dumating ng ating order. Ayan, yung ating order ay fried rice with tabi ko muna tong sabaw. May sabaw, tsaka yung fried rice na with chicken. Yan. Very minimalistic. Pero I think it's favorable kasi first meal ko siya. Ayoko din magulat yung tiyan ko kasi madali siyang masaktan. Madali siyang sumakit. Hopefully yung sabaw nila doesn't taste very cilantro-ish. Okay. Pasado naman siya. Kakatapos lang natin mag-lunch. We're waiting for the bus. Sightseeing bus na dumating. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano yung sistema dito. Sasakay ka lang sa bus and then iikot ka. Yun siguro yung tinutukoy kanina ng tour guide na yung bus may parang numbering. Tapos parang may section siyang iniikutan siguro. So may lugar pala na kailangan bababa and then take a pic. Ganito yung mga sightseeing dito. So parang African animals. Iroke. So ayan, it seems like yung sightseeing bus ay hop on, hop off. Ayan. Mga butiki. Ayan, mas maraming butiki. Ay, dito mga tanim. Cactus. This is the cactus nursery garden. Wow. Ka-cute. Kung very particular kayo sa tanim or like plantitos and plantitas, this would be an interesting place for you to explore. Meron ding Dinosaur Valley. Oh yes, ito yan. Mga iba-ibang klaseng dinosaurs.
ก็สวัสดีคุณลูกค้าทุกท่านด้วยนะครับผมอันนี้เราก็เข้าสู่หุบเขาไดโนเสาร์แล้วนะฮะส่วนรถเราเนี่ยผมมีสายพันธุ์ไดโนเสาร์ถึง578สายพันธุ์นะครับผมแล้วก็มีรูปปั้นไดโนเสาร์มากกว่า 1,000 ตัวนะผมประมาณ1,000 กว่าตัวได้นะมันจะขนาดจริงสเกลจริง1:1เลย
Ayan, mga friends and abians, we were dropped off. Bakit may pa mist? Nag-dropped off tayo sa parang dinosaur park. Yan. Lystrosaurus. Bagaciratops. And medyo tongue twister sila pero yeah, para sila mga exhibits. Ayan. Pero sabi nga nila, don't stay too much sa isang place. So hahabol tayo ng next na sightseeing bus. So I think nakita ko na yung parang spot na maganda, na parang na-advertise. Oh my gosh, ang ganda dito. This one is like best spot to take a photo. Yeah, ito siya. There. See? Ko lang alam kung nakikita ako. Ayan. Friends, nakabalik na tayo sa ating main pick-up point kanina. Pero, I've seen something here na parang worth it balikan. So, try nating balikan. It's kind of familiar if you happen to go to temples like Buddhist temple and probably siguro mga Hindu temples as well because they have the same creatures mainly sa kanilang temples. So yung isa is Naga, which is a serpent. This is quite significant to Buddhism and Hinduism kasi as for what I've read about Buddhism is that this creature protects Buddha during his meditation. This one is like 9-headed Nagas. This is more of like Hindu faith or belief. So this is an elephant-headed god in Hindu. As far as I remember, anak siya ni Shiva. Ayan, so I think tapos na ako. Punta na lang siguro ako sa car museum kasi sabi ng tour guide ni Noni na kapag earlier daw natapos, pwede daw tumambay doon sa car museum. So, tapos naka-AC pa. So, sige, mag-cool down lang tayo doon. And then, labas tayo ng mga 3:40. Yan. Kasi yun nire-require niyang oras. So, from small tractors to bigger trucks. Ito naman. Yeah, I've been seeing Banok. Siguro yan yung parang, ay Banok. Very cool. Ay Banok Coffee. Ito, malaki to. Pang ano to? Pang Autobot transform. Next destination natin ay Khao-Chi-Chan. So, Khao-Chi-Chan is a mountain containing the engraved image of Buddha. Not just only engraved, but it is like engraved using gold. So, makikita mo yung outline ng Buddha sa mountain made of gold. It's just that yung tinutukoy ata ng guide kanina is hindi mainit na maaraw, it's mainit na humid. Ayan. Dito shady na part pero walang kahangin-hangin kaya ayun, it makes the experience mainit. Okay. Probably kasi parang understandable naman na mainit siya. It's because surrounded siya ng bundok. Yeah. Surrounded siya ng bundok. Yan, ganyan siya.
Coming!
Let's go! Until 8 p.m. to.
Power. Alas 4 na, di ba?
I think natin platform.
Ito yun.
Yan yung favorite niya spot niya. Tingnan mo. Alis sa lahat ng mga...
Short woman up!
Okay.
Short woman up!
Short woman daw. Okay.
Middle man, sit down!
Okay.
Short woman up!
Yan, ang ganda niya, no?
Who shot?
Tingnan ko mag-group picture na naman
Who
ito.
know that you shot up?
Ayan, last stop natin would be Mongchang Cafe. Ito na yung pinaka-last ng Pattaya tour natin. It's already 5:10 and para siyang zoo. Ayan. Okay. Dito. Disclose with the elephants. Ayan. Each of us has time to take a photo with two of the elephants. Doon pa lang sa harap, no? Nakaantay na sila para magpa-picture. So yung cafe pala dito is like Zoo Cafe. Ayan, ganyan siya. Zoo Cafe. Ayun, no? Nakuha na namin yung aming preferred drinks. Pakita ko yung yung akin. Ayan. Watermelon shake slushy. Ayan. There will be 2 shows. As far as I remember, it will be like the elephant one tsaka yung Ladyboy. Pag Pattaya pala guys, sikat doon yung Ladyboy. So meron din silang dedicated show later.
The beaches are calling me. The music is in the air, and laughter is everywhere. The fun is in Pattaya. The sun is in Pattaya. Stars above in Pattaya. You'll fall in love in Pattaya.
2.5 hours later.
Ayan, good evening everyone. Good evening mga chingus, mga puans, my friends, mga abians. Ayan. Kakatapos lang namin. Actually, hindi kanina pa. Yung drop-off namin ay sa John Fairs. Pero hindi na ako nagstay kasi nag-bolt na ako papunta sa Pratunam. Namili ng mga pasalubong. Ayan. Mga kukonting pasalubong lang din naman. So, probably yung mga sikat na binibili dito like inhalers, yan, Yadom, tsaka mga candies. Yung yung kasama ko sa hostel, yung friend ko, nagpabili siya nung parang ganito. Nakikita ba? Ayan. Ayan. Yung tourist bag. Yan, Thailand bag. Nagpasama na lang siya din ng bili. So ngayon nasa tayo, Siam Station. Interchanging tayo papunta sa Saladeng. Pero yes, nakakapagod na. It's currently local time 10:35. Sakit na sa likod. Nilaban ko pa yung Pratunam kahit gabi na, pero worth it naman. Ay, nakakapagod ang araw na to, Diyos ko. Yung Pattaya, grabe. Ang daming nangyari. Yung sa Ladyboy Show, grabe. So marami ng mga reminders. Buti naman at nakinig kami sa reminders ng tour guide. Buti nakaiwas naman kami sa panganib. Hindi naman siya panganib. Nakaiwas lang kami sa extra bayad. Ayan. Ang init good, oy. Unsaon. Niisip ko like 10:30 na yan na. Pero ang dami pang tao. Although yung line dito, like train lines dito, nagsasara siya ng 12. Kaya hindi na nakapagtataka. Pero, for me, nakakapagtaka pa rin kasi today is Monday. Ay, dapat hindi na pala kasi may mga trabaho pala yung mga tao. And the students, may mga pasok. So, kapag nasa city, siguro ganyan talaga.